Hello and welcome to this week's Veg Hack video. The blood orange season's here on the farm, so today I'm going to show you a really great way to start using them up. Now, despite their slightly gruesome name, the blood oranges are delicious. They're slightly sweeter than other varieties, almost like raspberry flavour. They're definitely one of my favourites. Now, the bloodiness comes from a pigment under the skin. It works its way through the segments and then bleeds into the orange, giving them that amazing colour. We love it when they come into season in the field kitchen. We serve them in salads, in main courses. We serve it with fish, desserts. We make kombuchas, cordials, liqueurs. They're super versatile and they make a great addition to any of your winter veg. The season is short though, so make the most of it while they're here. Today I'm going to show you a dessert recipe. It's always a winner when we serve it in the field kitchen, but it's super easy to replicate at home. It's the shaker pie. Now, the recipe comes from the shaker community, who were a religious group in the early 18th century. But I came about the recipe in a bakery in San Francisco called Tartine. Traditionally, they would use lemons for this recipe, but we're going to use blood oranges today because they're really delicious at the moment and they're right in season. The great thing about this recipe is you don't have to peel them. You just thinly slice them and then macerate them in sugar overnight to break down the skin. So I'm going to start by thinly slicing the orange. We'll just take a little bit off the end and then you want to slice them as thin as possible. Oh, that actually is one of the best I've seen. That is nice. So when you get to the end, a little trick is just slice it in half so it's a flat surface, and then you can just get the last few slices out. It doesn't matter too much because it's all going to break down in the pie anyway. These have macerated overnight, the sugar's broken down the orange, it's released all the liquid, and now all we're going to do is just add in some eggs, a little pinch of salt, tip it into a lined tart case, and then seal it with a lid, crimp it and brush it with an egg wash and a sprinkle of sugar on top. In the field kitchen, we make a really rich dough using curd cheese, butter and flour in equal parts, but you can just use a pre-rolled short crust pastry to keep it even simpler. So it's now ready to go in the oven. We're going to bake it at about 160 for an hour until the top is nice and golden brown. So this has been in the oven now for about an hour. You can see the top's gone nice and golden. When you first pull it out, the mixture is still quite soft, so I've let it cool down to room temp, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight just to set up. So it's nice and golden brown on top. It looks delicious. And it is. It's really creamy on the inside, almost like a curd or a marmalade. I really hope you enjoyed this video and give it a go at home because it is a real winter treat. If there's anything else you want to see us cook, talk about or prepare, leave a comment below. If you liked this video, then please like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more weekly videos.